If you love to cook, but your cookware has seen better days, this is the package for you. My name is Thelindabradley. This is Princess House, and I have an incredible package for you. I have two of the Vida Sana collections. These are the ones that are healthier cookware. They cook 29% faster and hold in 67% of the nutrients. This is the 2.5 quart size, 12-inch skillet in this Vida Sana. In the tri-ply, I have a 14-inch. This is a beautiful sear pan, not available in the regular book. Also not available in the regular book, a non-stick piece. This is an 11-inch non-stick skillet with the straining lid. Also going to give you a 12-quart stock pot, which is great for your larger meals. One thing that I don't have is the pressure cooker. Everybody wants this item. Our number one selling item in the whole entire catalog is our blender. One of the brand new items is our air fryer. Great for your larger meals. For entertaining, we have our 3 Wildflower bowls. They're great for serving, for storing, for mixing, for prepping, and you can even put them in the refrigerator. They're oven safe too. Our brand new dishes are called the Sonesta. These are just beautiful. They are melamine, which means you can use them outside. You can use them with kids, and you can use them with people that have a hard time holding heavy things. Then the star of the show is our barbecue disc. It comes with the lid and then also the rack. It has a concave area so that you can cook in it. It's 23 inches across. 1810 stainless steel, heavy duty. You're also going to get the long-handled barbecue tools to be able to use that. This entire collection would be close to $3,000, but I can cut your price in half. You can take this for 10 payments of just $157.22 each, and that includes shipping and that includes tax. So the total amount is $1,572. I would love to help you get this in your kitchen. You're going to love cooking with all of this. Reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com.